Hi, it's Jesse Zeman, Executive Director of the BC Wildlife Federation. Member update just before Christmas. We've been busy in the world of advocacy, engaging both provincially and federally around issues related to conservation of fish, wildlife, and habitat, and public access to things like camping, outdoor recreation, fishing, and hunting. The world is becoming, it seems, a more challenging place by the day, and we'll be talking about 2024 here shortly. Big things in freshwater environment. You're probably aware whirling disease was found in Emerald Lake, which is in Yoho National Park. That is in the headwaters of the Columbia system, which goes all the way into the United States. Major risk there. Invasive mussels, quagga and zebra are knocking at our door literally. And we're very concerned that there have been some pretty significant funding decisions made both within organizations in the province of BC and also federally that are not helping that situation, actually defunding it. There'll be more about that in the new year, I expect. We've also been in the media, a couple of incidents around elk being shot and left on Vancouver Island, and in one case, elk being harvested outside of an area where hunting is allowed. So we're raising the profile and awareness, working with the media on both of those fronts. In the good news world, our conservation stewardship team just finished a side channel restoration on Juliette Creek, which went really well, and actually saw coho salmon show up within an hour of the project being completed. So great work. Overall, 2023 has been a tough year. As it relates to floods and fires, the BCWF continues to provide some world-class leadership and conservation stewardship projects to help mitigate the future, and we'll continue to shift our focus to work on habitat restoration and enhancement for fish and wildlife, which also has benefits for everyone in British Columbia. I wanted to say congrats to our early bird prize winner out of Kamloops for the conservation lottery. Some awesome prizes donated by Italian Sporting Goods. The lottery is still ongoing, and the 50-50 is as well. They go for another couple months. The 50-50 gross is now over 185,000, so the winner gets half of that. It's going really well. Appreciate everyone who's purchased tickets for either or both of those. It's still not too late to get your donations into the BCWF. We issue you a tax receipt, which you can use as a write-off. Appreciate everyone who has donated, and the folks who signed up for life memberships here recently as well. Overall, we'll keep it short. Want to thank all of our members, our volunteers, donors, sponsors, supporters, the whole team in the office. On behalf of the BCWF executive and the board, we appreciate everything that everybody does to contribute to a future for fish, wildlife, and habitat, and also to ensure that we have a future as it relates to public access to things like outdoor recreation, camping, hunting, and fishing. Over the holidays, hope everyone gets time to go outside, maybe do some ice fishing. There's still a whole bunch of rivers that are open. People will be out hunting and trapping as well. Take some time to spend with your family, and really, I'll be thinking about what 2024 brings and looking ahead in terms of how important all these things are to us. You can see in the background, from a sustainability perspective, things aren't going all that well in British Columbia, and our issues around public access are going to increase dramatically here in 2024. So just take a few minutes to reflect on the year and your time outdoors and how important it is to you, and maybe think about how or what you would do to commit to a future where we have abundant fish and wildlife and where we have public access to go out and to be able to enjoy British Columbia in the way that we know it and the way that we like to enjoy it. With that, hope you all Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll catch up with you in 2024. Thanks.